In the intricate dance of life, the pendulum swings with a rhythm that often defies our expectations. It carries us through moments of joy, sorrow, love, and heartbreak. In Time's Pendulum Swings Again, the talented author Joy M. Lilly takes us on an emotional journey through the compelling story of Jenny and Seb, two individuals whose love story unfolds against a backdrop of cultural differences, societal expectations, and personal struggles. Time's Pendulum Swings Again by Joy M. Lilly explores life's unpredictable dance, where joy, sorrow, love, and heartbreak intertwine. Follow Jenny and Seb's passionate love story, defying societal norms and battling cultural differences. Their future seems promising, but a devastating revelation could destroy everything they've built. Time's Pendulum Swings Again is a novella that delves deep into the human experience, exploring the complexities of love, sacrifice, and the enduring power of the human spirit. Author Joy M. Lilly expertly crafts a story that resonates with readers on a profound level, addressing themes of romance, prejudice, family, and cultural differences. This fast-paced narrative keeps you engaged from start to finish, and the well-written prose flows effortlessly,